Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play geometry dash music on piano. First, locate sheet music or reliable online tutorials for your chosen geometry dash track. Many popular songs have arrangements available for various skill levels. Starting with an easier piece, perhaps one with a slower tempo or fewer complex chords, will build your confidence. Make sure your piano is ready. A well-maintained instrument enhances your learning experience. Once you have your music, practice each hand independently. This allows you to master the individual melodies and rhythms before attempting to play both hands together. A metronome is your best friend for developing precise timing. Start slowly and gradually increase the speed. Pay close attention to the dynamics and articulation marked in the sheet music to truly bring the energetic geometry dash sound to life on your piano. Some geometry dash songs feature incredibly fast or intricate sections. When you encounter these, break them down into smaller, more manageable segments, perhaps just 2 or 3 measures at a time. Practice these challenging parts at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy over speed. Gradually increase the pace as your fingers become more comfortable. Regular finger exercises will also significantly improve your dexterity and overall strength. Remember to have fun with your piano journey. Try playing along with the actual geometry dash game music. This can help you feel the rhythm and energy more deeply. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements or even create your own unique variations of your favorite tunes. Consistency is key. Even 15 minutes of focused practice each day will lead to remarkable progress over time. Keep enjoying the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.